Hey, how's it going?
I'm doing fine, thanks.
Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil, but I live in New York now.
How old are you?
I'm 20.
Are you a student?
Yeah, and I work at a coffee shop.
Do you speak English?
A little. My first language is Portuguese.
Where do you live in New York?
In Brooklyn.
First time in the city?
Yup, it's all new to me.
Do you live with your family?
Yeah, there's 5 of us.
Got any siblings?
One brother.
What do your parents do?
My dad's a teacher and my mom stays at home.
Any kids?
Nope, none.
Is your apartment big or small?
Small, but it's cozy.
Got a pet?
A cat named Mimi.
Do you like your place?
Love it.
What do you like to eat?
I'm into pizza and salads, and I'm vegetarian.
Favorite fruit?
Apples.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee, definitely.
Can you cook?
Yeah, I make a mean veggie pasta.
What's for breakfast?
Usually toast and eggs.
Like sweets?
Oh yeah, especially chocolate.
Drink water often?
Try to every couple of hours.
Eat out a lot?
Sometimes at diners or food trucks.
What time do you wake up?
Around 6 a.m.
How do you get to work?
By subway.
Lunchtime?
Around 1 p.m.
Take naps?
Nah, no time for that.
When do you get home?
About 6 p.m.
Watch TV at night?
Yeah, I catch the news or a show.
What time do you go to bed?
Around 10 p.m.
Use a clock?
Just my phone.
What's your work schedule?
Monday through Saturday.
Any hobbies?
I read books and listen to chill music.
Can you sing?
A little not great.
Play any sports?
I like soccer.
How's the weather today?
Sunny, but it's chilly.
Like rain?
It's nice sometimes.
Weekend plans?
Usually hang out or go shopping.
What do you do for fun?
Watch movies or walk in Central Park.
Where do you shop?
At the local market with my sister.
What do you buy?
Fruits and veggies.
How much do you spend?
Maybe $10 or so.
Expensive or cheap?
Pretty cheap.
Cash or card?
Usually card.
Like online shopping?
Yeah, it's super convenient.
What do you buy online?
Clothes mostly.
Check prices before buying?
Always.
Still in school?
Finished high school, but I take English classes now.
Taking any classes?
Evening English classes with a friend.
practice speaking?
Yeah, with my teacher and classmates.
How do you feel today?
Happy, just a bit tired from work.
Got a cold?
Nope, I'm good.
Sleep well?
About 8 hours, so yeah.
Go to the doctor much?
Only if I'm sick.
Hungry now?
Just 8, I'm good.
Feeling sad?
Nah, I'm okay.
Do you exercise?
I walk every day.
Drink milk?
Sometimes, usually at night.
Take any meds?
Only if I need them.
Where's the bank?
Near the post office on 5th Street.
Is the school far?
Nah, it's nearby.
How do I get there?
Walk straight, then turn left at the corner.
Where's the subway station?
Just across the street.
Know this area well?
Yeah, I live close by.
Is there a hospital around?
Yup, next to the community center.
Where do you go on weekends?
Usually Central Park or a cafe.
Where's your workplace?
In Manhattan.
How long's the commute?
About 30 minutes by subway.
Like New York?
Love it, it's awesome.
What's this? Holds up a pen.
That's a pen.
And these? Points to books.
Those are books.
Is this your bag?
Yeah, it's mine.
Whose phone is this?
My brother's.
Can you help me with something?
Sure thing.
Like English?
Yeah, it's cool.
Is it easy for you?
Sometimes easy, sometimes tricky.
Can I ask something else?
Go for it.
What are you doing right now?
Just chilling, reading a book.
Busy?
A little, got some work stuff.
Can you wait a minute?
Sure, no problem.
Cooking anything?
Nah, just grabbing a bite.
What did you do yesterday?
Hit up the market.
Clean your place?
Yeah, tidied up.
Free tonight?
Yup, I'm free.
Wanna hang out?
Sound good. Let's do it.
Can you open the door?
Got it.
Like to dance?
Yeah, it's fun.
How's the weather out there?
Sunny and nice today.
Raining?
Nope, clear skies.
Like winter?
Love it. Snow's cool.
Is it hot out?
Not today, it's mild.
Like summer?
It's okay, but I prefer cooler weather.
Use an umbrella?
Yeah, when it's pouring.
Cloudy today?
Nah, all clear.
Like snow?
Totally, it's awesome.
What season is it now?
Fall, the leaves are changing.
Favorite season?
Spring, everything's fresh.
Use your phone a lot?
All the time.
Can you text?
Yup, no problem.
Watch videos?
Yeah, mostly on YouTube.
Use a computer?
sometimes for work or school.
Type fast.
Pretty quick.
Play mobile games.
Yeah, when I'm bored.
Like the internet.
Love it. So much to learn.
Use email.
Yep, for work stuff.
Take photos.
All the time with my phone.
Got social media.
Yeah, Instagram and Twitter.
Who's taller, you or your friend?
My friend's taller.
A coffee or tea, which is better?
Coffee for sure.
New or old phone?
Brand new.
Heavy bag?
Nah, it's light.
Faster than your friend?
Nope, he's quicker.
Big apartment?
Small, but it works.
Tests easy or hard?
Usually easy.
Favorite day?
Sunday it's chill.
Who's your best friend?
My buddy Alex.
Reading anything good?
Yeah, a great novel.
Celebrate birthdays?
Yep, with family and friends.
When's your birthday?
March.
Like gifts?
Who doesn't?
Go to parties?
Sometimes if I'm invited.
What do you wear to parties?
Jeans and a nice shirt.